The world is becoming more and more connected today as the Internet of Things, IoT, is reaching beyond homes and offices to various industries and factories.
Back off, we started our compressors. We got a lot of frequent visits of customers from our field engineers just to make settings and to attend the breakdowns and maintenance schedule. To analyze, there was no history of the machines which available either at manufacturer at our end as well as the customer end.
We at Kloudq Technologies Limited, India's leading industrial IoT company, have helped our customers tackle their day-to-day challenges and reap multiple benefits.
Now we are able to communicate to customers. The machine is running in which condition, what action we have to take on the machine to avoid the breakdown.
With over 7 years of real field learning, we can proudly say that our platform is one of the most robust and reliable IIoT platform in the country today. Kloudq, digitizing business.